Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Back with another video here, guys. Today we have made it to day number 132 of this My Lead Gen Secret Challenge. If you guys have no idea what's going on, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Lead Gen Secrets. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing this challenge. All right. So we have made it to day number 132, guys. I'm just showing you guys pretty much every single day how to come in here, send out an email, and then I'm also showing you the results from what we did last night. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it, guys. Go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on what I'm talking about, where we started, and kind of where we're going. Okay. Now, if you guys don't know what My Lead Gen Secret is, My Lead Gen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 brand new leads coming in every single day. Okay. Now, what separates the two is how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Lead Gen Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. Right now, I have about 8 different accounts. Okay. So the fact that I have those accounts, I am getting 200 leads per account. Okay. Now, if I was only have one account, then I'm only going to get 100 leads. Okay. Now, also your last account will get 100 leads unless you get someone to sign up under you, and then you'll get that 200 leads. Okay. So with those accounts, guys, I'm getting 200 leads every single day, guys. So I got tons of different traffic that I have coming in. And then all I have to do is come in and send out an email every 24 hours. So I can come in every single day, okay? Every 24 hours around the same time, I can come in, send out my emails. And then it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes, guys, and then I can move on to other things, or, do whatever I want with the rest of my night or day. Okay. So, you guys can do this same thing, guys. It's super easy to get started. If you guys were to get started, this is what your back office would look like. Okay, it's going to look exactly like this. All right. You're going to see these tabs coming across here. All right. The only thing difference is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. That's the only thing difference. All right. So if you go over here to the My Leads, it's just basically showing you the leads that are coming out every single day. So right now, this account, like I said, has 200 brand new subscribers. So today we did get to touch 200 new subscribers that we've never seen before, they've never seen our email before. Okay, which is awesome. So this shows you here, guys, we got fresh leads coming every single day. And then as long as you stay with the My Lead Gen Secret system, these leads will keep growing and these emails will stay with you. Okay. So you can build this thing up to thousands and thousands and millions of email subscribers. Okay. And then you can have this traffic here at your fingertips for you to use anytime you want to get traffic on demand. All right. Which is pretty awesome. So another thing about this traffic, guys, that this is cold traffic. Okay. These people have no idea who you are. Okay. You have to get these people kind of warmed up to your email and what you're promoting. Okay. And another thing is that these people care about making money online. Okay. So if you try to come with a different offer, health and fitness, or, some kind of, you know, I'll say cooking, offer or something like that, it will not work with this traffic. Okay. These people care about making money. Okay. So us as affiliate marketers, all we have to do is we have to go out and find offers that are related to making money. We create an email. Okay. And then we place our affiliate link in the email somewhere, maybe at the bottom or in the middle of that email. And then that person clicks on our link, and that link takes them to our affiliate page. Okay. And then our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. So pretty much all we have to do is just get our prospect to that affiliate page. Okay. And you do that by writing an enticing email. Okay. Now there's going to be a few ways that you can generate this email. Okay. Number one, you can write it yourself, right? If you're good at writing emails, write a good email about making money online. Or you could use AI, okay, to create you a make money online email that's short, sweet, to the point. Or and that email, that AI, guys, you can really kind of direct AI to write whatever type of email that you desire, and it will create it down to the T. Okay. Now, also the last thing, number three, is going to be free email swipes that come with the offer. Okay. Now, the reason why we're promoting these business opportunities on ClickBank, because they do come with free emails that you can use that have already been tested, okay, that convert really, really good, okay. So if you know how to copy and paste emails over to the system, then you can pretty much do this method, all right? So that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. Okay. In ClickBank, if you go to clickbank.com, it is free to get started. If you take some of those business opportunity offers, if you go to them, you're going to see that they come with free email swipes. Okay. So all you have to do is you have to grab that email, you copy it over, and you paste it into the system. And then you place your affiliate link at the bottom of the email, and then you send that email out to these prospects. Okay, and I'm going to just show you briefly how to do that real quick, guys. It takes me just a moment here. All right. So in this back office, guys, where you're going to be hanging out, where you're going to send out your email is going to be the mailing system. Okay, it's going to be the most important tab that you're going to be using because this is where you send out your email. You're going to click on select all. It's just going to take you over. It's going to transfer all your emails. They're going to load them up. That way, when you send out an email, it's going to go to however many people that you have in this back office. Okay. So pretty much all you have to do, let's go over to the offer. Now, the offer that we are using for this challenge is going to be an offer called Social Sales Rep. It's an offer on ClickBank, okay, that you can go to. Now, just real quick, guys, you don't actually have to use ClickBank. You can use a place called Warrior Plus. They have business opportunity offers as well. And they also, let's see, JV Zoo is another one. And then Max Bounty is another network, a CPA network. And then Blue Media Ventures has a CPA offer that works really good with this as well. Okay. But for the sake of this video, we're using ClickBank because it's free. It takes about 5 minutes to get started. And then once you get started, you can literally use these free email swipes. Okay. So this one right here, guys, is called Live Chat Jobs. It's one of the top offers on ClickBank. So this is the one we are using for the challenge. Right. And now, as you can see right here, here are the free email swipes. So all you would have to do is click here. And then you come down here, and this is where all your email swipes are. Okay. You have 20 of them. So all you have to do is simply come here and send out all of these, okay? And you send out all of them. Let me show you what one looks like. So if you open up one, it shows you the subject line right here, and then it also shows you the body of text, okay? So all you have to do is take that body of text, and then you come over to the mailing system and you paste all of that into the mailing system. It's super easy, guys, okay? So let me just show you a quick example on how to send this out. Okay, so what you would do, you would pretty much, let me just find one that's a little shorter. Let's grab this one. Okay, let's just grab this one right here. So pretty much you would take the subject line, you would copy it. Okay, Control C. Come over here to the mailing system, Control V. Like, you see how easy that is? I mean, that's what I mean, guys, by being super easy to do. If you can copy and paste, this is going to be something I think you'll like pretty well. Okay, so you come down here, you click on perfect timing. Like I said, you can come in every day and send out an email. I send out my emails around this time every single day, so I can come in tomorrow around the same time and send out another email and reach thousands of people. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here. Let's go back to the offer, and we're going to grab this body of text. So you just grab it, Control C, come back over here, and we want to come down here to the bottom and Control A and Control V. Right? There's going to be three things that you're going to have to do in this email. Number one is you're going to have to take out where it says signature. Basically, what they're doing, they want you to put your signature. Whether that be your first name or you can put management, whichever one. Okay. That you want to do. Number two is you're going to have to take out where it says hi name right here at the top, and you want to put in this code to replace it. Okay, it's very important that you do that because if you send this email out as it is, it's going to come to your prospects inbox and it's going to say hi name, and that's not going to, that may throw somebody off. That may show, may let them know that you're copying and pasting without really writing this email. So the whole idea here, guys, is to make this email seem as real as possible. So all you have to do is you come here where it says name, you take this out and you erase it and you control V. Okay. Now this code is basically when this email goes to the prospect's inbox, it's going to address them by their first name. So when this email goes out, it's going to say like, hi Jermaine, hi John, hi Karen, whatever your name is, right? And then it's going to go into the email and show you, the opportunity. Okay. Now the third thing that we're going to have to do in this email is we're going to have to take this where it says click here. What I like to do is just grab the whole sentence. So pretty much when somebody clicks here, we're going to make this a clickable link. Okay. So let's go ahead and come down here and let's just grab this link right here. Let's click on that and then come back here to the offer. Now, underneath every email, there's going to be an affiliate link. Okay. So you're going to control C and you're going to grab this link and you're going to put it into this box right here. Okay. Where it says URL, control V. And you want to take out where it says your ClickBank ID. You take that out and you want to put in your ID. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, so you're going to put in your ID. Don't put in mine. Okay, put in your ID. That way you get the credit for this email. Okay, so you click on that, and then I like to make my emails a little bit bigger, either 16 or 18, whichever one you guys are feeling. Okay, once you do that, this email is ready to go. Look, not only are we addressing the prospect by their first name, we got the offer. Everything looks good. We have a clickable link right here. Okay, and then we have who the email is from. All right. So all we have to do is come down to the bottom. This email is ready to go, and make sure you got perfect time and click. There's going to be two buttons. One is going to say preview and one is going to say send now. Okay. You want to click on preview first. And the reason why is because it's going to pull this email up in real time. It's going to show you what it looks like when it hits someone's inbox. Okay. And by doing that, it's going to let you click on this link. Since we're creating the email, it's not going to let us click on it right now. But once you click on preview, you'll be able to click on this and it should take you to your affiliate page. And that's what you're looking for. You just clicking on this link to make sure that it works. Okay. Because the last thing you want to do is send out an email and it doesn't go to your page and it's just a waste of traffic. Okay. Just a waste of time doing that. Okay. So it's important that you have your affiliate link in this sentence right here and it goes to your affiliate page. That way you can get the credit. Okay. And what you're looking for when you click on this link, you're looking for your affiliate ID in the URL. So you just want to look at the top, make sure that your affiliate ID is showing up. Once you know it's showing up, that means that this email is ready to go. Okay, so you come back here to the mailing system and you click on send now. Boom. We just sent out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system, guys. It's super easy to do. And if you guys want to get started today, I did leave a link below this video. So I'm going to show you where it's at. Just come down here where it says more. Click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Click on that. It's going to take you to the landing page. And this is where you're going to go ahead and sign up and get started, guys. All right. Now, my internet is just running a little slow here today, guys, but I can't tell you that this offer, this service, this My Lead Gen Secret Service, there is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started. Okay. And then there's a $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. And what you're going to get in return is you're going to get thousands and thousands and thousands of subscribers. Okay. As long as you stay with the program, as long as you are paying your monthly fee, you will receive traffic every single day, thousands of people every single month. All right. Coming in. And that traffic will stay with you as long as you have been with the system. I've been with them over a few years. This traffic, I've built up a lot of traffic with this system. Okay. So I can promote whatever offers to this traffic that's business opportunity related, and I can get eyeballs on my offer. So no matter what offer it is, I can get eyeballs on my offers in instantly. Okay. On demand. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. Let's go and go over here to ClickBank. Okay. So ClickBank is a network platform that you're going to be able to go to, and you're going to be able to create an account. It's free. Okay. You can get signed up and you can use the business opportunity offers in ClickBank to send to your My Lead Gen secret traffic. Okay. Which is pretty awesome. All right, so let's come down here. Now, let me show you this real quick. Not only can you make money with My Lead Gen Secret, and you can make money with My Lead Gen Secret by promoting My Lead Gen Secret itself. Okay. So you can literally create an email. Okay. So matter of fact, let me see here. I think it's this one right here. You can literally, guys, go to this part right here, and you can use these emails right here just to promote the service itself. Okay. And then you can put in your affiliate ID, and then boom, you can, and then you just send out each one each day. Okay. There's quite a few emails in here for you. So you can just, and you can import them and load them, and it'll load for you. And then you can promote the service. Okay. Not only can you promote the service, okay, you're going to make money from My Legion Secrets. You can also use other platforms, okay, such as ClickBank and My Legion. I mean, not My Leads, but JVZoo and all the other platforms that you can use that you can make money from. So there's going to be a few ways. And the other way is whenever you sign up under yourself, you're going to be able to get money back from you actually paying your monthly fee. Okay, which is pretty cool. Okay, so there's going to be a few ways that you can make money with My Legion Secrets. Let's go back here to ClickBank. Like I said, go ahead and get started. Today is September the 5th. What I like to do is show you the last 30 days, so you can see the algorithm and see how, if we're getting sales, or, I'm not doing the 1 day thing anymore, because some people may come across a video that's late in the series and you'd have no idea what we've done for the past 30 days or whatever. So I'm just showing you, the past 30 days and what it's looking like. Now, as you can see, we made money today. Today's the 5th, and we made money today. And we also got a sale today as well. Okay. So this is just what it looks like, guys. So you can come in here and you can see the algorithm and kind of what to expect. I know we're probably in month 5 by now. Okay. So since we're heading into the month 5, we're probably at month 5 now. I haven't really calculated yet, but we are there, guys. Month 4. This is kind of what your sales will start looking like. If you watch these videos, which I would recommend you go back and do, you'll see in the beginning we got one sale here, one way over here. Okay, one next week. Okay, and they were spread out. Now, the more and more we sent out emails every single day, okay, we started to get closer and closer and closer. And now, as you can see, we're starting to get sales either every day or every other day. Okay, or every 2 days. So we may go without a sale. Right here was a gap because I was out of town helping my daughter move in for college. So I was out of town and I missed quite a few days. Okay. So, but as you can see, once I got back, the sales started to come back in regularly again. Okay. And you'll start seeing them consistent. It may be a day you go without it, maybe a 2 days, okay, at the most. But it'll pick it back up on that third day. So eventually, what's going to end up happening, guys, this is going to come all across the board. It's going to be sales all across the board, okay? So eventually, you're going to start seeing these sales come in every single day, okay? But I just wanted to show you what this looks like, guys, the past 30 days. And what this looks like with one offer. We're not promoting any other offers on ClickBank. We're just using one offer, guys. And we're going to see if we can just maximize this offer and see how much money we can make with it. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like, show you that this stuff does work. I'm showing you right here. We get paid every single Friday, okay, with ClickBank. Every single week I can cash out. Well, actually, I got direct deposit. So every single week I got, these funds being, uploaded in my bank account. Okay. Now, this is probably the lowest thing that I'm doing right now because it's super easy to do. And I started a brand new account, guys. So I'm gonna do other stuff online to make money, but this is something that anyone can do if you're someone who needs the extra income. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how to get started. Like I said, all you need is a ClickBank account, which is free, and you do need to have a My Legion secret account that I showed you. Okay, just go here. Underneath this video, go ahead and get started. Once you get started, if you do sign up under this link, let me know what email you signed up for, and I will send you some emails that I use personally that no one else is using, that I use to make money. Okay, that way you can get a fast start instead of it taking a little bit longer for you to get started. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that. That's pretty much it, guys. I've sent out my emails tonight. I'm going to meet back here with you guys tomorrow, Saturday, and we'll go over the results on how we did and how everything is looking. So if you missed anything that I said, just rewind the video. You can kind of go back through it and watch it again. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I will meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.